Example, the height of a right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. Answer, consider its base is x centimeter. Then height is less than 7 centimeter its base. Therefore, height is x centimeter base and less than 7 x minus 7 centimeter. And now hypotenuse is given 13 centimeter. And now here base is x minus 7. Use here Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AC is 13 centimeter given. AC 13 centimeter, 13 square. AB is x minus 7 whole square plus BC is x square. 13 square is 169. Here a minus b whole square formula apply. X square minus 2a into b plus b square 7 square plus x square as it is. 169 is equal to 1x square. Adding these to 2x square. 2 7s are 14x plus 7 square is 49. Therefore, 2x square minus 14x plus 49. 169 take right side becomes minus 169 equal to 0. 2x square minus 14x. 169 minus 49 is 120 minus 120. Now dividing throughout by 2 here. 2 cancel, 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 0 as it is. X square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Now 60 into x square, 60x square. Split this. 12 5 is 60 x into x square. Now minus plus. Minus 12x plus 5x becomes minus 7x. X square minus 12x plus 5x. 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now take common here x minus 12 inside. Here 5 take common. X minus 5 12s 60. Now x minus 12 common inside x plus 5 is equal to 0. If x minus 12 is equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 12 take right side becomes plus 12. And second one, if x minus 5 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 5 take right side becomes, it is plus. X plus 5 equal to 0 implies x equal to plus 5 take right side becomes minus 5. Therefore, x equal to 12 is our answer. This is base. Now height is x minus 7, height x minus 7 is there. Therefore put 12 minus 7 equal to 5 centimeter is its height.